Hello, hello, and welcome back to the Kindred Kitchen. Today we are going to be making my new favorite peanut dressing. So let's stop right here. Go down below in the comment section and make a comment about what your favorite dressing is, because I know we all have one, and that for a long time kind of was my stumbling block to eating salads, because I really liked the high sugary, oily kind of dressings. So pulling away from that was a little harder. So for the longest time, I didn't eat salads for that very reason. But I have my own favorite dressing, and I'm gonna give you the recipe. While you're down below, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you'll know when we come out with new videos and you won't miss a thing. All right, so let's get into the recipe. This is my take on a no oil peanut dressing. We will list the ingredients down below in the description box, so you don't have to take notes. Just sit back, relax, and I hope you enjoy this as much as we do.
Now wait.
What?
No, I just wanted to put that in there just to freak you out.
I'm like, what?
So you said it's a no oil peanut dressing, right?
That's right.
But peanut does have natural oil, so tell me what you're doing here.
We are using organic peanut powder. And you can get this just about everywhere now, I think. I've seen it in our local grocery stores as well as the Trader Joe's and stuff like that. So you can get this just about everywhere now.
I would like to say that you still need to read the dressing, because if you look at this...
read the ingredients.
The ingredients, because...
Some do add sugar or salt or something to it. You just want the peanuts. The non-fat peanut.
Yeah, the defatted
peanut powder. And this is what makes it. And this, my son loves it. It's amazing. Okay, so I start out with Dijon mustard, and we're gonna use equal parts of mustard and maple syrup, and I would say about a quarter cup of each, but I really don't measure it. I just kind of eyeball it. We're gonna be using this on our lunchtime salad, so we're gonna make a little bit more than I probably would at home. You know, it's in a glass jar, so it's making noise. And then I'm gonna add some just maple syrup. Make sure to read your maple syrup as well, because that is notorious for not being actual maple syrup. So make sure you're getting real maple syrup. Then I add about a teaspoon, and because I'm making more, hold on, I can do this. There it is. I'm gonna use maybe a teaspoon and a half. So a teaspoon to a teaspoon and a half of soy sauce, or I use tamari. You could use liquid aminos if you want. And then I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of peanut powder. You seal that up before it gets everywhere. And then I'm just going to add just a little bit of salt and pepper. Probably about a teaspoon of salt and maybe a quarter to a half a teaspoon of pepper, depending on how much you like pepper. And then I usually just use a fork and mix this up, because it mixes up really easy. You could put this in a bullet blender if you wanted to, but it mixes up really easy with a fork.
Or you can put the lid in, or you can put the lid on and shake.
Yeah.
It's a good arm workout.
Okay, now I'm going to use this tablespoon just to show you what it looks like. Can you see it in there? I mean, it is, with the peanut powder, it makes it a little bit thicker, you know, than the normal maple mustard dressing, and it just has such a nice flavor. And this is great on anything. Buddha bowls, salads, vegetables. My son, who does like wontons and things like that, will dip those into this. You could use this on tofu for like a peanut tofu.
I bet it would be good with just air fried potatoes too.
Yeah, it would be. So, and you know, if you do the rice paper spring rolls, you know, with the rice paper, this would be awesome with that. So there are so many uses for this dressing, and it is so quick, easy to make. I love it. So I hope you enjoy it too. And thanks for joining us today in the Kindred Kitchen. We hope you enjoyed this recipe. Make sure to share it with friends or family that you think would like it as well. And then head on over to kindredvegans.com. Sign up for our newsletter. You'll get a free worksheet on the top 3 tips for weight loss, how we have lost so much weight. And we will be back next Wednesday to share more recipes with you.
Bye.
Bye.